Hey guys, gonna be a run of my HPI Bullet MT. Went back to the original body on here and I kept it kind of low, but these are those Fire brand tires and wheels that I had on my Slash when I converted it to a desert buggy. So I figured I'd try it on here and see what this looks like on here, and actually try to get it out here and run it as well. So go ahead and get this mounted up and run this for a few minutes, show you guys how this puppy runs. It is running a 3S LiPo, so it's actually running pretty good with that. I figured it would be back flipping because of the bigger tires and wheels, but it's actually holding down pretty well. I did make some minor adjustments to it, like adjusting the battery further up front. So that does help a lot. There's a couple of construction fields around here now, so I think this weekend I'm gonna try to take a couple of my cars up there and get some other guys, and we can do a good bashing session as well. See how some of these, what the heck? There was a rock, just came out of nowhere, trying to break my car. So there you guys go, quick run of this. Just wanted to get this out real quick and run it and show it to you guys. So as always, don't forget to like or dislike, subscribe if you have not, and as always, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.